These machines don't forgive mistakes. Every ton matters. Every millimeter counts. What looks calm is often seconds from failure. You're watching green technology. From Darwin, a massive generator unit sets out on a path destined for Alice Springs. More than one. 500 kilometers away. Two prime movers strain at the front. Another holds tension at the rear. Just one look at the formation is enough to understand how heavy this monster really is. Even the bucket alone is enormous. It makes you stop and wonder, just how big is the machine it belongs to? At 960,000 pounds per trip, 12 times the legal load limit, Edwards Rigging successfully hauled a 480-ton superload, mile after mile. Repetition after repetition, all to assemble a giant stamping press at Martin Rea. This isn't ordinary transport. It's a parade of gravity, steel, and absolute precision. In industrial processing, the washing drum plays a critical role. Part of the sugar production line, it cleans raw material before crushing and pressing. Weighing 172 tons and stretching 30 meters long, it's divided into 3 sections for transport. Not for convenience, but for safety, legal compliance, and reduced risk when navigating narrow routes. This kind of preparation is essential to ensure smooth installation once it reaches the factory. In 1907, the Lombard machine emerged as a historic icon of the logging industry in the northeastern United States. One of the first machines in the world to use a track drive system. It laid the groundwork for countless modern machines, from logging tractors to military tanks. Transporting this century-old machine to the Northeast Logging Exhibition is more than a presentation. It's an act of preservation, keeping mechanical heritage alive for future generations. No anchors. No manual unloading. Excavators feed conveyor belts. Sand pours straight onto the shore. The entire river becomes part of a continuous production line, operating like a factory. It's hard not to be impressed. A cathedral dome is lifted into place. The scene evokes something rare, a mix of engineering precision and spiritual weight. The hardest part of the operation? Is it controlling the load during positioning or maintaining stability in the wind? Everyone has an opinion. At first glance, it looks like the driver and the Unimog are about to roll downhill. But instead, it turns into a perfectly executed maneuver. Well done! On the quiet streets of Fredericia, a machine weighing hundreds of tons moves slowly forward like a visiting giant from the industrial world. Pilot cars clear the way, while hydraulic lifting systems adjust millimeter by millimeter, allowing the steel mass to squeeze through narrow gaps. Moments like this remind us that human capability often exceeds expectation when planning, courage, and execution align. The D9G looks like it belongs in a museum. Then it roars back to life. Its sound hits like a sledgehammer. The frame shakes with every beat, yet it pushes relentlessly across all terrain. Old technology. Maybe, but its raw strength and durability still command respect, even from newer machines. A 28-ton marble block is lifted. The Volvo L220F is rated for only 20 to 24 tons. As the bucket rises, the rear wheels leave the ground, a clear warning. This is no longer a display of power. It's the razor-thin line between bold operation and costly failure. Slowly rolling toward Launch Complex 39A, the Falcon 9 moves like a giant arrow just awakening. No roar, no rush, just calm before a historic moment, where hundreds of tons of technology prepare to touch the boundary between Earth and space. Under a gray sky, a Felbermeyer convoy drags a massive rusted load, as long as a train car. Wheels turn slowly. Escort teams keep everything on course. These journeys don't rely on luck, they demand experience, discipline, and total focus from every member of the crew. small, but far from weak. The Kubota SVL75 paired with Skid Pro equipment clears even the deepest snow in seconds. Compact enough to operate where larger machines can't. This combination proves its value in both performance and versatility. Against a field of pure white snow, two tractors pull a massive mining load behind them. Every wheel rotation challenges gravity itself. Scenes like this make one thing clear: heavy transport is never a game. From Saint Marcel to Tavaux, near Caen, a convoy moves slowly through eastern France. It feels like an industrial procession. Leading the way is a truck nearly 10 meters tall, carrying a 77-ton titanium crystallization unit. Behind it, additional components follow in sequence, creating a journey that is both overwhelming and awe-inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, comment 11 below. Your support is what drives us to keep creating more. A massive drilling rig weighing dozens of tons climbs down a lowboy trailer on its own. No guide, no assistance. The Cat MD6250 crawls forward, steel tracks gripping the ground like magnets. Every movement stays controlled, turning a downhill descent into a powerful demonstration of engineering confidence. Power alone means nothing without control. What you've seen works only because someone planned for failure first. If you understand that, you're already ahead. Green technology,